What if an asteroid hit Earth today? Not millions of years ago, not in the future, but right now. Somewhere in space, a massive rock is already moving, silent, invisible, and faster than anything on Earth. By the time we see it clearly, it might already be too late. Asteroids are leftovers from the early solar system. Most are small, but some are large enough to change the entire planet. Now imagine this. Astronomers detect a new object. It's big, very big, and it's heading directly toward Earth. At first, there is uncertainty. Calculations begin, predictions are made, but slowly the truth becomes clear. It's not missing. It's coming straight for us. Panic spreads. Governments react. Scientists try to find solutions. But there's a problem. There is very little time. Now the asteroid enters Earth's atmosphere. It begins to glow. Friction with the air heats it up. The sky lights up like a second sun. People look up and see a bright fireball, moving faster and brighter every second. Then comes the moment of impact. The asteroid slams into Earth with energy greater than millions of nuclear bombs. The ground shakes violently. A massive explosion occurs. A crater forms instantly. Shockwaves spread outward, flattening everything in their path. Cities near the impact would be destroyed within seconds. Buildings collapse, glass shatters. Nothing remains untouched. But the impact is just the beginning. The real effects come next. After the impact, debris is thrown high into the atmosphere. Dust and particles spread across the sky. Sunlight begins to fade. Temperatures start to drop. This is known as an impact winter. Plants struggle to survive. Photosynthesis slows down. Food chains begin to collapse. Animals and humans face extreme challenges. Meanwhile, fires break out across large areas. Heat from the impact ignites forests. Smoke fills the sky. Air quality becomes dangerous. Oceans are also affected. If the asteroid hits water, it can create massive tsunamis. Waves hundreds of meters high, traveling across oceans, destroying coastlines. But how bad it gets depends on the size of the asteroid. A small one might damage a city. A larger one could affect continents. And a massive one could change life on Earth completely. This has happened before. Millions of years ago, a large asteroid struck Earth. It led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. So could it happen again? Yes. But here's the important part. Scientists are watching the sky. Space agencies track near-Earth objects. Programs are being developed to detect threats early and even to change their path. Recently, missions have tested ways to push asteroids away. So while the danger is real, we are not completely unprepared. An asteroid impact would be one of the most powerful events on Earth. It could change landscapes, climate, and life itself. But it also reminds us of something important. We live on a planet in a dynamic universe, where space is not empty, but full of moving objects. And sometimes, those objects come close, very close. So the next time you look at the sky, remember this. Somewhere out there are rocks traveling through space. Most will never reach us, but a few might. And the question is not just, what if one hits Earth, but when? And when that day comes, will we be ready?